Yeah. It's all clear.
Have you eaten another soft jack?
Oi!
Rambutan sana.
And then who else?
Wait, there's something that you did. Special guest.
Oh, Amma. Oh. Hey, wait, let me click photo. Do you like that? Nice.
Come here. Wait. Click all three of them.
Tripura Amala. Tripura Samal.
This one? Oh, this is Bangalore ka.
Bangalore, okay.
Rambutan.
Rambutan.
Rambutan and Logan.
Oh, this is from Bangalore?
Yeah, I bought it for them.
Okay.
So they can eat as well. So what are you going to do?
It's very hard, no? Bangalore ka?
Not Bangalore ka.
It's actually Tamil Nadu ka.
No, everywhere it is like this. Only hard. Rambutan is hard.
Wow!
It's like it. It's like that. Okay. What? What's cute?
ये देखो दोनों क्या है?
ये क्या है? अरे वाह ये तो काला मोहन तुमो?
एक लाल मान
काला बम
और इसमें क्या है?
देखो
लेंचा
ये तो लेंचा और क्या एक और क्या है?
ये रसगुल्ला वाला लेंचा ना? मलाई वाला और ये क्या है?
ये क्या
है अम्मा?
तो है मना मेरा अम्मा को पता नहीं वो क्या है
केक का लिंक ओह माय गॉड ओह ये शेरवाली का मीठा वाला मिठाई मिष्टी डोई खाओ अभी पका पूरा फ्रेश है सुखा बाबा आज ये लेंचा त्रिपुरा में था लेकिन अभी बेंगलोर में है और मेरा
पेट में
है
एक कनारे शेर वाले नहीं तो लोग शेर वाली शो द पैकेट खिटवा है वो खिटवा ये है खिटवा sangat 짠 무슨 아마 이 사람이 하면은 또 돈이 खिटवा पाई yeah I want to have of course eat you eat so you give to your parents also there
my dad will like
yeah of course ये करना है यहाँ किन चटनी वाली yummy काला जामुन this is काला जामुन ना काला mon बाबा उड़ा बहुत सुखा बाबा
ये और भी बढ़िया भाई
सब खावा सुधा माँ अरे क्यों खाना है अच्छा है
मेरे लिए ना शुगर नहीं होता है
वाओ प्लीज
कम होता है बड़ा नहीं होता
शुगर से पिया तो बिंदा क्या सुनो माँ खा और क्या किटुआ भाई पॉक ना बो किटुआ
ये छोटा से बहुत मीठी का मी
हैप्पी बर्थडे कैंडल ठीक है ना लोग सॉरी
oh wow
happy birthday to you
so cool
put on the light
yes
yay come this side no come there करो हंसो दे
अम्मा आप नहीं सोया
see my mom applying lipstick and all for your birthday lipstick full down रखांगा मना
wow
एक
super
yes the birthday boy
okay, thank you so much guys thank you so much for the birthday cake I'm cutting my calories but it's okay
yeah, okay
sing for me
happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday dear Brandon happy birthday to you clap make a wish you didn't make a wish also
wish candle
yeah, okay you can cut
how you can cut to this
just cut the side and take been favorite dog
the cheesecake is like very soft. Wow. So soft. Oh, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Oh, wow.
Forgot.
Oh, forgot.
Can't give my mom, no?
No, I can't give you more.
What's that?
Come, I'll give you.
You little bit like this. Kada?
Like this.
Tatar di pokti ka lang aro.
Like this.
Pokti ka lang sa mo.
Saan kaya ito? Like a different top one.
Di na pa rin.
Yeah, kung yan sa ba? You can pray.
Is that it?
Now you give her.
Che.
A chair.
That's so tempting.